In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Google Gemini chat history. So the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open up Gemini, and then you want to go to over here on the left-hand side where you can see all your chats. Now you could go ahead and, of course, delete every single one of these individually by clicking on those three dots next to them and clicking on the delete button. However, this takes a long time. What you should do instead is you want to go to activity down here at the bottom, and this is going to open up your activity inside Google, and then for the Gemini apps. And then here you can see you can go ahead and, of course, interact with all your past activity from Gemini, and you can even click on this delete button over here and select what you want to delete. So for example, last hour, last day, or then always as well, and a custom range. So we could do that too. And I'm going to just delete this. Just make sure you know that this is deleting all Gemini apps activity in your account. So I'm going to click delete and then always. And then here, there we go. I'm going to click on delete. And got it. And whenever that's done here, as you can see, there's now no history. And if I go back inside Google Gemini, and if I now refresh this, there should not be anything here on the left-hand side. There we go. As you can see, it's been wiped, and there we go. I now have a fresh chat history. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.